Hello guys, my name is Anubhav Sharma. In this video I'm gonna be
सिर्फ 1 घंटे की बात है, नहीं खेलना है यार, सिर्फ 1 घंटा सॉकर खेल के आते हैं, ठीक है। उसके बाद तो आगे वीडियो बना लो, कोई चक्कर नहीं, ठीक है। आ जाओ, थैंक यू। मर्जी तेरी भाई।
So in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to clone yourself like the way I did into a software named Adobe Premiere Pro that I have been using from the past 1 month. I've been taking YouTube very seriously and try to post good content. So if you like this video till the end, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've been seeing like 97% of the people are watching my video and just going without subscribing. So guys, please subscribe. Thank you. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here we are in the software. So we have our files here. We have already imported our videos that we are going to edit and create that clone effect. So you can just double click on the video over here and then click on this mark N to start the starting point from here, and then just by double checking where your video should end, and then click here, drag it down the video with the audio file. We are just gonna click on change sequence setting, make a space between these two clips. One is the audio file and one is the video file. So we're just gonna click on the other video that we are going to use here and do the same thing, drag it down here. So we have our files here. So here we are guys, we have our two of the videos. So one is this one. Hello guys, my name is Anubhav Sharma, and this video I'm gonna, and one is I can show you by just removing this clip, and the other one is in which I'm coming from the back. So what we're gonna do is we are going to create a mask on the top layer. So just double click on the video, go to the control effects control, under the opacity click the pen tool and create a rough mask like this, and close it down here, and you can move that a little bit so that it will be covering the whole area. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, if you can see, so it looks okay. So now you can see we have still some of the footage that you can see it's not aligned. So we're just gonna manipulate some of the settings of the second clip. Just double click on that, go to the effects control panel, and then you can just click on here, scale you can set to 108 according to the video that you are setting up. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the first clip, 108, just to zoom a little bit, and then coming back to the second clip, we are going to reposition the whole video by changing the vertical setting. Now it looks aligned, and now you can see if you can just.
Hello guys, my name is
We're just gonna render this up. Select all of the videos, go to sequence, and then render selection. Now you can see.
Hello guys, my name is Anubhav Sharma, and this video I'm gonna be.
But still, you can see there is a line that's coming between the two clips. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to the clip on which we have created a mask. So unselect all the clips, go to the clips that you have created the mask, go to the effects control panel, click on the mask and increase the feather. So when you increase the feather, the line is gonna get blurry. So it's if you can see, it's much better as compared to what we had before. But still, you have to color correct both the clips so that it will look similar that it was looking before in the beginning. So we are just gonna go to the first clip, go over here, click on effects, then color, and then you can choose the lumetric colors and drag it down to the first clip. And when you double click on the first video, go over here, and then you can see a panel of lumetric colors. So go to the basic color correction, click this arrow, and then you can set the exposure. So you can decrease the exposure a little bit, increase the exposure a little bit, so that you can match the second clip. It looks good, and let's render this up and start this from the beginning.
Hello guys, my name is Anubhav
I
Sharma,
think
and this video I'm gonna be.
looks good, and it just depends upon how you can synchronize both the clips. And while making that two videos, you have to take pauses according to the first video that you have already made, and just synchronize both the clips so that it looks like you are talking to yourself, and you can make this clone effect looks very easy. So guys, that's how simple it is to clone yourself in the Adobe Premiere Pro software. So just by creating mask, and make sure while shooting the videos for your for the editing, make sure you use a tripod or a place where your camera is still, and the frame shouldn't be changing, so that the background should stays the same, lighting should stays the same. You can use an external light, or you can stay at a background where the lighting is not changing, so that it's gonna be easier for you to color correct the whole video. And also you can use all the tools like mask feather, mask extension, just to manipulate some stuff according to yourself, so the the end products looks good. So yeah guys, this is all about the tutorial of how to clone yourself in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like the videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and this is my first tutorial, so just keep supporting me. More of the tutorials are coming soon. The next tutorial is gonna be on how to clone yourself using the Photoshop, and it's gonna be a really good and informative tutorial as well. So guys, peace out for now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.